Tunyn offers a summarized audio newsletter and a publicly accessible news aggregation board for any topic based on the keywords you specify. Let's go through the steps to create your first channel. Log into Tunyn and click the New button on the dashboard page. You will be guided to the channel settings page. In the News Search Keyword section, define the language and keywords used to search for news. If you set keyword language to English and keyword to Vladimir Putin, you'll receive English news related to Vladimir Putin. If you set keyword language to Russian and enter Vladimir Putin in Russian, you'll receive Russian news related to him. There are two types of news channels, public and private. Both types are accessible without logging in. A public channel appears in search results on the Explorer page. Next, set the voice summary language, which determines the language of the audio news summary. Then, choose a channel title of your choice. If your channel is public, you can upload a channel image, which will be featured on the Tunyn website. Set an alert time and press the plus button. Your newsletter will be delivered daily at the specified GMT alert time. With a paid plan, you can add multiple email addresses as newsletter recipients. Click the Save button. Now you've created your first channel. After minutes, you'll receive your first newsletter covering the latest Russian news related to Vladimir Putin. From now on, you'll get a daily news update at your specified time. Click the Listen Summary button. You'll be redirected to your channel board, where you can access news articles and audio summary.
The 8th of March. Key information about Vladimir Putin. Political situation and international relations. US President Donald Trump expressed his belief in Putin and stated that it is easier to deal with Russia than with Ukraine. He also noted that Putin wants to end the...
If you want to edit your username, profile icon, or website, visit the profile page.